email signature with Wisestamp. This is a lot of fun and you're going to love it. Okay, start by entering your name. Oh, by the way, log in, go to wisestamp.com and log in with your Facebook or Google account and you'll see this screen. Okay, so I am going to put my name in. I've already uploaded a photo, so you can start doing that now. I am an FDN practitioner. I'm not going to put my company because I'm going to put my website, and I'm not going to put my phone number either. I am going to put my website. I don't want my email signature to be like too busy. And my email address. That way you don't have to relay this information to your clients when you email them. I don't like adding my address, but I am going to add a Facebook button. I like that, and I like this white one. And you'll need to add your Facebook URL. So I will hurry and get that. I should have this memorized, but I don't. I'll go to my pages and grab my URL and add that. And that way Wisestamp can find my information. But I don't know why this is not coming up real great. Okay, so let's see. So I will add my URL. And see, it added it right here. Find me on Facebook. And can't remember adding a quote, but there you go. I'm going to actually get rid of that. Okay, now I want to add a Twitter button. And I like this white. And so I've got to go to Twitter and find my URL. Okay, so let's see. Get that and add that here. Now I've got those two buttons. See, find me on Facebook, follow on Twitter, and now I want to add a Pinterest app. I like that. So see, go here, add another, and I want to add Pinterest. And so see, you get the idea. I add my URL there, and I also like Instagram. So I'll add my URL there, and then I like Google+. So see, I'll have all of those there, and I'm not going to take the time and make you suffer through me adding all my URLs. See how if you add your address up here or your phone number, I mean, you may like that. To me, that's almost overboard. See, you can see what it looks like if I do this. You know, maybe it's okay. It's just, it depends what you like. I also like to add, you can add your latest tweet. Adding a random quote is fun. Let's see, I want motivational and friendship. Oh, I guess you can only add one. So I'll add that, and then look, love is friendship that has caught fire, from Ann Landers. And so that's kind of fun. Let's see. I don't have well, I do have a YouTube channel, but no, I'm not very active on it. You can add a legal disclaimer. The contents of this email and any attachments are confidential. And you can see this, no viruses, personal opinions. I actually added that, and it was too busy looking, so I'm not going to fiddle with that right now. You can promote a sales event, which is not applicable to what I'm doing right now, but that's a great feature. Add my LinkedIn badge. I don't have a LinkedIn account for this particular business. My latest tweet, connect Twitter. See how easy that is. And you can select your latest tweet. Mine actually had to do with forgiveness. So I'll put that. You can upload your banner. And I like doing this. I think that it really adds. So let's see, where am I? Nutrition MBA. Let's just say this isn't my real one, but I'll add that. And you can choose the size. I want a medium. I mean, extra large, like, oh, no. And you can actually add another banner too, and you can provide a link to it. So see, this is shaping up. Okay, add a green footer. Please consider your environmental responsibility. I mean, that's not applicable for my website. And you can go to these tabs. See, most popular, that's what I'm on right now. All, and you're like, holy heck. I mean, look, join my webinar, give us feedback. I mean, attend my event, show my latest blog post. I actually did this. And so you would put in your latest blog title and then link it to your website and add /feed, and that's your RSS link. And I did that. I think that's a fun thing to do. A holiday message, say it's Christmas time. Oh, look, do you want to add a medium text wishing all our customers a happy holiday, and you can choose a picture. See, I mean, this is really fun. I think that's fun, but it's not Christmas, so we're not going to do that. Showcase my eBay store, schedule a meeting with me, and you can link it to your online calendar where your clients log in and book an appointment with you. I have no idea what Dribbble is. Instagram, I love. Download my app. If you have your own app, then you can link your signature to that. I mean, they really have thought of everything. Use custom HTML. Discover me on Behance. I have no idea what that is. Support my charity. Showcase my Etsy store. I mean, a lot of those I'm not going to use. I'm going to go to the social tab. This is fun, I think. Instagram photos. So I connect my Instagram account, and you can see my recent photos. And you can choose designed, which are larger or compact. And so I'm going to add that. See, now there's my header. There are my latest pictures. And I haven't added the URL for Google Plus or Pinterest or Instagram. But here's a fun thing that you can do. So right here, you can edit the buttons, the apps that you have added. But you can delete too. You can also, by choosing this little icon, you can switch, what with the order. So see, now I've got Twitter first instead of Facebook. But there's just a ton of stuff that you can do. And I like this Pinterest button, so I'm going to add that. And we'll do my URL later. But you get the point behind this. It's a lot of fun. I personally like round crops better than square. But see, you have that capability. I'm going to do round. All these, changing the font color and size, are for the pro version, a signature font. I mean, to me, that's not a big deal. You can see all the templates, which really there's only one for the free version. But you can get an idea for all these other templates. See, that's a lot of fun. So you're getting an idea about how you can design your own email template. Let's see, the settings up here. Always save your changes. You can name your signature up here. You can add an animated GIF to your signature. Now that's, you have to upgrade to Pro for that. But see how it's pretty intuitive. It's pretty easy. A business web page, you can upgrade to that, and see, it'll give you an idea what that will look like. This form will be used by your visitors to contact you. You can make business cards. Like, oh, I don't know that I want my face right there, but see, you can customize those. And this is kind of a cool feature. It tracks your emails. Okay, well, we've already done that, but that gives you an idea. You can see the screenshot I placed on my written tutorial. There's also the capability to sign files with your signature online. And that's pretty cool. But back to my email signature. I mean, that's pretty much all there is to it. I mean, there's really not much more than that. And then you'll have your very own email signature. So play around with that. I mean, there's really a lot of different apps. I mean, when you go to all these apps, I mean, you could play around with that all day. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Get busy on customizing your own email signature. Thank you.